Today we're going to unbox the YS3M from Moyu and HuaMeng designs. So it was designed by YS3M, the 3x3 the former 3x3 world record holder of 3.47 seconds, which was the first sub 4 3x3. So let's open it now. So it's a very nice box, quite shiny. So inside the box we get this card, which shows YS3M. And then we got the cube and the cube and the accessory box. So in this box we have a tensioning tool, screwdriver, another tensioning tool, extra nuts, another tensioning tool, and a pamphlet. Parts of the cube. Now let's open the cube itself. This box is really hard to open.
It looks like it's got a film on top.
It doesn't.
It does.
So we managed to open it now. So let's take a look at the cube. Up more plastic. So this is the Maglev version of the cube, and let's try our first turns. So the outside, there's no UV coating or anything, because it isn't the most expensive version of the cube, but this cube feels really nice. It has a kind of like sandy feeling to it. It's also quite loose, so we probably should tighten it. Let's take a look at the inside. A standard spider web tour, and when we take a look at this, we see this, and this is Maglev, which means it's basically magnetic, like this, and there's two magnets which repel each other to make a kind of spring-like force. So let's put this back together, and we can try to make it better, probably by tightening it. The color cutting is really good, but it's really loose out of the box. So, what we're probably going to do is use this tool. It's at its tight setting here, so probably with the screwdriver, maybe just 1/2 turn on each side. Okay, so it's a lot better now. It's really fast considering it's Maglev. But when you tighten it, it's a lot better. So I think what we're going to do now is, just lubricate it. Okay, so the lubricant I'm just going to be using is the Mist lubricant, which you can find on the cubicle.com. So I'm just going to put 2 drops in and break that in. And now let's do once all on it. So I think this tube is really good, and it's really good for people who have already started tubing and need a really good tube. So that's the end of the video, and if you want to see more content like this, then subscribe to Smart Boy 24/7, where you'll get notified every time there's a new video.